Hey girls, say hi to Bawai.
Hi, Bawai.
Fix your hair, Chloe. Okay, do you have a song you want to sing for Bawai?
Yes.
How about the creation song?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
First God made the night and day. Second He made the waterways. Third He made the land and seas, the flowers and planting trees. Yes, God made us. Yes, God made us. Yes, God made us because He loves us. For the moon, stars and sun, fifth the birds and fish was one, and the moons were 16 feet. Then God made the 1 year. Seventh God rested.
Scoot back.
Seventh God rested. Seventh God rested because He loves us so.
Good job. So you know what you want to wish to Bawai. You have anything to say to her?
Yes, never marched in empathy, ride in the Cali, shoot the artillery.
Oh, yeah.
I may never fly away, but I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I may never march in the infantry, ride in the cavalry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly over the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir. I may never march in the infantry, 'cause I'm in the Lord's army. Yes, sir.
Great job. I'm sure Bawai will love your songs that you're practicing for graduation. Okay, do you have anything you want to say to Bawai?
Yes. Can I say something?
Yes. Go ahead, Chloe. Come here. Oh, you want to go over here? Okay, what do you want to say, Chloe?
Happy Mother's Day, Bawai. I love you
That's really
very
sweet.
much.
You miss
I
her?
hope you have a great Mother's Day. I miss you. I love you.
That's so sweet. What about you, Ellie? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? You want to say Happy Mother's Day? Grandmother's Day.
Happy Grandmother's Day, Bawai. I hope you have a great grandmother's day. And please hope you have a great time with your cars. I mean cards.
Oh, the cards that you sent her. Yes, I'm sure she'll love it. Okay. We love you, Bawai. We miss you.
We
Okay.
love you.
Give a big
We
kiss.
miss you.
Mwah.
Mwah! I
One
want to
more?
give her a hug.
Okay.
Like